In news that everyone saw coming, Ubisoft is officially shutting down its Web3-enabled NFT strategy game Champions Tactics Grimoria Chronicles. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech and gaming news. According to a report by Kotaku, a visit to the official Discord gives some specific information. There, the company has said, after careful consideration, we've made the decision to sunset the game. The Champions Tactics servers will officially shut down on October 30th. But if you think the game wasn't that popular, it's surprising to see it has a small yet real fan base. But even those players have long suspected something like this was coming. Ubisoft announced back in May that it was transitioning the game away from Web3 functionality. A major selling point of Champions Tactics was that the battle units could have been minted and traded on the blockchain marketplace for digital currency. Perhaps the weirdest part of this whole saga is that the game came out in 2024. The NFT craze peaked in 2021 before fizzling in 2022. Ubisoft decided to push this game out almost 3 years after Paris Hilton and Jimmy Fallon did that whole awkward NFT exchange on late night TV. As a matter of fact, Ubisoft is still trying to make this a thing. The company is still attempting to funnel current Champions Tactics players to a game called Might and Magic Fates by offering in-game rewards. This is a deck builder, just like Hearthstone, so folks can buy and sell cards with cash or crypto. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.